School Lunch Hero Day is an opportunity for us to celebrate you. We know that being a school nutrition professional goes beyond meeting federal regulations. It's getting to school before the sun is up to bake students' favorite cinnamon rolls, the smiles you share with students in the lunch line, the favorite recipes passed down through the years, and the sense of community that you build around enjoying tasty meals together. We want to recognize the dedication and hard work you display every day. Thank you. We appreciate you. And you are our school lunch heroes.
Hello, I'm Elsie Arntzen, Montana State Superintendent, and I want to say a big thank you to Montana's school lunch heroes. Now more than ever, school nutrition employees deserve recognition for their service to our Montana students. As a teacher of 23 years, I understand that our school nutrition employees deliver more than just lunch. School Lunch Hero Day gives all of us the chance to thank these hardworking, everyday heroes for their dedication to our Montana students. Thank you, and thank you for making Montana proud.
Thanks for all you do for fixing healthy and nutritious meals for growing bodies, just like Sarge and all of the Montana kids. We truly appreciate you, don't we, Sarge? Yeah.
To all the lunch ladies and gentlemen throughout the state, thank you. Thank you so much for continuing to feed Montana kids, for continuing to come to work and do your job throughout all this and finding new and creative ways to do it.
I just wanted to take a minute to extend my gratitude towards you and all of your rapid responses to all of the school closures and your continued services that you continue to offer to support students in your communities.
Thank you to all our school nutrition rock stars for keeping kids and communities fed.
I want you all to know how much we appreciate you and all of the work you do, ensuring that children have access to healthy meals, no matter what the circumstance.
I am happy that I know you and get to work with you. Thank you for taking such good care of Montana's children.
I wanted to say thank you to everybody who is providing meals to kids during the school closures. You people truly are heroes.
Healthy greetings from Helena. I want to say thank you for planning, preparing, serving, and delivering meals to all of Montana's youth.
I want to say thank you for all you are doing to make sure the kids in Montana are provided with nutritious meals. Please know all your hard work is recognized and appreciated.
I just want to say thank you so much for all you do for the kids across Montana. It is truly appreciated.
I just want to raise my glass to you today and really toast to you. You are true heroes. Thank you for serving Montana kids and supporting families.
Thank you for your hard work and dedication to ensure kids in your communities are receiving nutritious meals.
We want to tell you thank you for feeding kids at this time. You're our heroes!
I just wanted to say thank you so much for everything you're doing. We are always so proud to support you guys in the work you do with schools.
Just wanted to say thank you for all your hard work across the state. Thank you for your innovative ideas and creative ways to serve your communities.
Thank you so much for keeping kids fed in Montana during this time.
I just want to say thank you so much for everything you have been doing for our community.
Thank you so much for all of your hard work, extensive planning, and creative ideas. Your dedication to the kids in your community is so appreciated and needed. Thank you for everything that you're doing.
I want to thank all of the school nutrition heroes for all of their incredible hard work and dedication during these difficult times. And I cannot wait to meet you and thank you in person when all of this is over.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. We are so grateful for you.
Please stay safe and healthy. Bye, everybody.
Bye.
Bye.